Smells like green olives a bit. Had a hair on it. This particular sauce has 480,000 Scoville units. Jalapeno pepper, a lot less. A lot less. Tabasco pepper, the one in the green bottle, not the pepper juice, the pepper inside of the juice. If you eat that pepper, 50,000 Scoville units. That'll burn you if you're not used to it. And I'm going to 480,000. Almost instantaneous burn. Almost instant. I like this sauce. I don't like the flavor, but the burn, yes, I like this sauce. It burns really good. I like this sauce. It's different than other peppers. It just burns different. I don't know how to say it. It just burns different. In a good way. I don't like the flavor though, but it burns nice. How I do. How I describe the burn, it's not hardcore. It's like a nice little layer of heat. A nice, comfortable layer of heat. This won't kill you. This won't hurt you. The burn is there. It'll get your salivary glands going, but it's not overwhelming. This is ghost pepper if you can't read it. This is good sauce. A nice layer burn. It won't hurt you. It won't kill you. Not unlike the Tabasco peppers. It has a different burn than Tabasco peppers. Tabasco peppers. Slowly climbing. It's slowly climbing. In a good way though. If you're used to jalapeno peppers or the green Tabasco peppers inside that hot sauce bottle, you know, the clear with green peppers in it, it's a lot different burn. I don't like the taste of this sauce. Tropical Pepper Co. I don't like the taste, but the burn is nice. I'm telling you, it's comfortable. Unlike jalapenos and Tabasco, it's... Yeah. The burn's really good. The burn's really good. Shoot, and I even laid out a plate of crackers and a brownie in the middle. Don't need it, it's too comfortable. It's comfortable. How would I describe the burn? Just a comfortable layer of blanket. Comfortable blanket layer. You feel it warm down to your stomach, and you start getting warmer. Yeah. And on your tongue, it does burn, but it's not overwhelming. And the heat's going down already. Well, kind of. It's still on the tongue, but salivating. A little nose run. Good pepper. Good pepper. I recommend it. I don't like the taste, but I like the burn. That's how I explain it. So, like I said, it smells like green olives. Kind of tastes like it too. It's not even in the ingredients. Is it? No. But yeah, if you want something that burns comfortably, this can't have 480,000 Scoville units. No way. Absolutely no way. I don't know. I'm not a pepper expert, so yeah, give it a go. It's good. Good stuff. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the review. Get it? If you want to experiment with spicy foods, make yourself look like a badass.